Oh, baby. Too tight? All the gussets. Yeah. That wasn't so bad. Ah.
I wouldn't be scared if that was big.
I'm good, yeah. Oh yeah, buddy. Okay. Nailers suck.
Sandwich, lyrical lemonade. I fucking hate this warehouse, at least I'm getting paid. My car a piece of shit, but I still keep it clean. I gotta get this music out so I can live my dream. Life sucks, I'm ill, I smoke weed and talk shit. My friends think I make it too bad. All my friends are brainless. Oh me, oh me, oh my. I've been drinking up my life. Oh me, oh me, oh my. Someone pour me one more time. Still down for another pass. Good treat till it goes out. Mother, pretty girls got their phones out. Still drinking sweet, so looking like my heart. She's starting to breathe. But my mom is starting to think. I know she smokes weed like me, so
Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Ah. How's that sitting for flush? Okay, yeah, we're good. Ah. Oh yeah.
Fuck yeah, I can just live in there.
Sure. Oh yeah.
I've been talking to my God, it's all loud. Tell me, boy, just keep on playing with everything you got. I've been trying, feel like I'm just grasping straws. I don't know if I can take much more. So this road takes its toll. Many men that's out here searching for its soul. So this road takes its toll. Many men